चेस चैंपियनशिप है वो किसने जीता है, मैं वैसे इंस्टाग्राम न्यूज़ के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, ना कि मीम्स के बारे में।
कि आपका सपोर्ट सिस्टम कैसा था, कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग था आपका सपोर्ट सिस्टम, हाउ वर द पीपल अराउंड यू?
Supporting school environment is very crucial, and you create that environment. I would like to thank my parents, my friend Drishti, my friend Shivam, and all those people around me.
Hello everyone. Today we have Shreyansh who has scored All India rank 226 और इनका CLAT 2025 में स्कोर रहा है 92.5%. Very congratulations to you Shreyansh. So how are you feeling? A little background you want to give about yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Shreyansh Shukla. As ma'am said, I secured All India rank 226 in CLAT 2025. In my 12th standard, I had humanities as my stream, because from 10th standard onwards, I was pretty clear that social sciences are the core group of subjects that fascinates me. So in 11th, I obviously opted for social sciences, and in my 12th standard, I started preparing for CLAT. In my 12th standard, I secured a All India rank of 790. Then I went to NLU Odisha, and from this year, I gave my exam along with my college NLU Odisha, and managed to secure this rank.
So बेटा अभी आपने बताया कि आपने कॉलेज और प्रिपरेशन दोनों साथ में करी थी, है ना? सो इसके लिए इससे मेरा एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए आ रहा है, एंड ये जनरली हमारे सारे एस्पिरेंट्स का क्वेश्चन होता है कि मैम हम लोग 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हैं, है ना, एंड मैम हमारा प्री बोर्ड्स आने वाला है, हम कैसे कर पाएंगे क्लैट का प्रिपरेशन? या कांस्टेंट क्वेश्चन मैम, राइट? इस पे आप प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा अपना थॉट्स बताएं, बच्चों को थोड़ा मैनेजमेंट बताएं कि वो कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं अपनी पढ़ाई अलॉन्ग विद लाइक देयर 12th स्टैंडर्ड, और जो आपके नेशनल में पहुंच चुके हैं या जो जिन्होंने अपना लॉ परस्यू आउट कर चुके हैं बट स्टिल दे वांट टू गिव क्लैट, तो वो कैसे अपना मैनेज कर सकते हैं?
First of all, regarding this, in my 12th standard, I was a bit fortunate enough, as I had good teachers and very supporting schools, so they never objected to this. Supporting school environment is very crucial, and you create that environment. When you are honest with your intention, even your teachers know, your supervisors, your principal know that okay, this boy or this girl is honest, he is preparing something for serious, so right. They will never object you if your intentions are clear. Secondly, on your end, what you can do is key, you need to understand that your boards in 12th standard are in April and March. And second thing, your board score will not make a difference. Even it doesn't make a difference now in colleges of DU or any general graduation. You need to give the competitive examination. So you need to prioritize your competitive exams if you want to go to top tier colleges. Coming to the college thing, again, I was pretty clear while I was going to NLU Odisha that I need to go to top 3 NLUs. So I was pretty much clear, so I prioritized my CLAT there also. Like when we used to start our classes in NLU at 9 o'clock. So I used to take my laptop along with me, and while lectures were going on, I paid attention to them, but simultaneously I made sure that I do some CR questions, I read my newspaper stuff, and after at 4 o'clock when our classes got over, I used to go to library, sit there for 2 to 3 hours, and then again come back, have my dinner, and revise, then sleep. On weekends, we had our classes off on Saturday and Sunday, so I made sure to I go to library early at like 8 or 9 o'clock after my breakfast, and I used to give mock, analyze them, and so yeah, I was clear, very much clear, so much so that I was confident enough to skip my end semester exam of NLU Odisha. That preparation builded my confidence, and I was lucky enough that I do not have to give those end semesters again.
Right. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. तो एक well structured plan और discipline what actually sailed you through all the while. My another question with you Shreyansh would be कि आपका support system कैसा था, कितना strong था आपका support system, how were the people around you, what was their role in your journey?
Actually, having a good support system is very vital, and you will realize this once you go away from those people or you prepare alone living. Like for example, I went to NLU Odisha, I realized how much the support system matters. First of all, talking about my parents, so they have always been very lenient and chill with me. Whatever I want to do, they are always like कि हाँ ये करना है, ये कर लो, ये कर ले. They are very much supportive, and they trust me, and you have to gain that trust throughout the years by doing the right things. Second, having right group of people or friends, study buddies, or even people who are preparing for other examination. Like I had one friend who was preparing for IP MAT. We have almost similar syllabus, so I sometimes used to discuss with her also that okay, I am facing this problem, you are facing this problem. So having right kind of people near is also very important. So taking this moment, I would like to thank my parents, my friend Drishti, my friend Shivam, and all those people around me whom I constantly engaged in communication with whenever I felt low. So yeah, support system is quite vital, important.
कैन यू प्लीज़ टेल मी कि क्या क्या मिथ्स जो होते हैं हमारे होते हैं विद द क्लैट प्रेपरेशन एसोसिएटेड, एंड उन मिथ्स को हम लोग कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं?
Talking about the myths, first myth is कि if you do not have a strong foundation in GK, or if you are not very much read about GK, you won't be able to qualify this examination. This is the biggest myth. I'm again repeating, GK constitute only 22 to 25% of your preparation, and the paper is made for someone who is studying in class 12th or has passed class 12th. They are not expecting you to prepare according to a very UPSC level GK. Just have your basics strong. That would work. So first myth is regarding the GK. Second is regarding the mock scores, that if you are not scoring into 80s or 90s, you will not be able to get into top national schools of the country. That is the biggest myth. I know people who were scoring better than me, I've got better rank than them, and I similarly know people who were scoring lesser than me, and today they have got a better rank than me.
Wow.
So it is all about how you manage those 2 hours sitting there. That is very vital.
वेल सेड. एक्चुअली मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि मॉक्स को एज ए ना प्रैक्टिस मैच लिया करो. जितने जो बल्ले खींच सकते हो खींचो, जो आपको स्टंट मारना है आप मारो, ताकि आपको पता हो कि आपको एक्चुअल एग्जाम में कैसे करना है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्टेटिंग दिस टू आवर एस्पिरेंट्स, बिकॉज ये उनके लिए जानना इंपॉर्टेंट था कि जीके को लेके मैं फैकल्टी हूँ जीके की ठीक है, तो हाँ उतना भी ईजी नहीं है, बट ईजी है. ऑल देन इंस्टाग्राम इज योर जीके का सिलेबस वाला सीन हो जाता है. डिस्क्लेमर अगेन कि इंस्टाग्राम में जैसे कि अभी हमारा जो वर्ल्ड चेस चैंपियनशिप है वो किसने जीता है, मैं वैसे इंस्टाग्राम न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करी हूँ, ना कि मीम्स के बारे में.
राइट मैम.
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू श्रेयांश. दिस वॉज श्रेयांश विद अस, जिन्होंने अपने पर्ल्स ऑफ विजडम आपके साथ शेयर किए, अपना ज्ञान आपके साथ शेयर किया. ज़रूर अप्लाई कीजिएगा, एंड होपिंग टू यू बी द नेक्स्ट टॉपर. थैंक यू एवरीवन.